what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a tour of the whole facility, and we're gonna come back to pod room 3, okay? All right, so this is our wonderful facility. This is where you check in at. This is where people normally sit at when they check in. This is where they fill out the waiver. This is where they watch the intro video. After that, we take everyone back at the same time. So we're gonna keep the tour coming. Dr. Tangalo does his massage and his alignment work back here. We have 2 bathrooms. Make sure you use the bathroom before you go into the float suite. We do have a shower and obviously things inside the room. However, we recommend you use the restroom before going into the suites. Anyone need to use the restroom before we go in? All right, we're gonna work our way back to pod room 3. I'm gonna take the lead. The reason why we do the tour in pod room 3 is because it is the largest room. I'm gonna have you guys go in and step towards the shower, please. We have the earplugs, we have the complimentary towel. Outside of that, we also would normally have a music source ran over here where you can plug your phone in and set it down and listen to music while you're inside this. Okay? Inside the shower, we have a few things here. On the first shelf, on the bottom shelf there, we have shampoo and body wash. You can use the shampoo and body wash before your flow, and on the top shelf we have conditioner. Don't use conditioner until after your flow. Okay? We do give you 5 minutes before your float session to shower and get yourself washed off, and then we start the session from there. On the inside of the pod, we have 5 main points we want you guys to be aware of. The first thing first is the spray bottle. No, normally if you give you salt in your eyes or anything like that, you would just spray your eyes out with the bottle. The second thing we have on the inside is going to be the neck pillow. In case you have any issues with your back, your neck, your spine, anything while floating, feel free to use that neck pillow. It'll help keep your head afloat more than anything else. The last 3 things are going to be the 3 buttons on the inside of the pod. The first button is going to be your stainless steel button. That's your intercom button. If you guys have any questions while inside the pod, you can press it 1 time. It'll call to the front desk, and we'll communicate with you from the front desk into the pod. And then we have 2 buttons there. We have our music button. We don't have music currently, unfortunately, but we do have a light button there as well. If you press the light button once, it'll turn the music or turn the lights off. If you press it again, it'll go to a different color or to a different setting. All right. To keep them closed while you shower. That way it keeps it nice and warm and toasty. And everything I usually go over would be listed either here or there, step by step. The main thing is you want to put the earplugs in before you do anything else once you get settled in the room. As far as floating, you can either float with a bathing suit or you can float nude. It's up to you. The rooms themselves are private suites. And then usually what I would do at this point is I would leave 1 person, whoever chooses this room, 1 person to this room, and then I would take the other 2 together. Who's staying in this room?